Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my class. I, Dr. Swati Pandya, welcomes you. Now, next we will discuss about effects of drug or alcohol abuse. The immediate adverse effect of drug and alcohol abuse are manifested in the form of they are reckless behavior, even vandalism or violence. ये बहुत ही भारी वर्ड आपको लग रहे होंगे बट दे आर गिवन इन योर बुक. आई हैव नॉट रिटर्न हियर बट एक्चुअली दिस इज़ द इंट्रोडक्शन रिगार्डिंग द इफ़ेक्ट्स. और सबसे पहला इफ़ेक्ट यही होता है कि द पर्सन इट बिकम्स वायलेंट. बहुत ही हिंसावादी हो जाता है वो और बहुत ही लापरवाही करने लगता है. इवन बहुत ही क्रूअलिटी से सारी चीज़ें अंजाम देने लगता है. So, this is actually a very bad thing in our society, but it happens, and nowadays it is becoming more and more in our society. Excessive doses of drug, they may lead to coma and even death due to either respiratory failure or heart failure, or even sometimes cerebral hemorrhage occurs, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि पूरा माइंड में से the blood the capillaries or the blood vessels or arteries or veins, they damage and all the blood it oozes out, जिसको हम बोलते हैं cerebral hemorrhage, and it occurs in brain. Even a combination of drug or their intake along with alcohol generally result in overdosing and even death. So death is actually the last effect, and sometimes it depends upon person to person. So last thing is death if it is not controlled. So in this particular type of abuse, prevention is better than cure. दिस स्टेटमेंट बिकम्स वेरी ट्रू, जिसके बारे में हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में. बट उसके पहले लेट अस सी सम वार्निंग साइंस दे कैन बी ऑब्जर्व्ड. अगर हमारी किसी फैमिली मेम्बर में इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम है किसी को या कोई यूज़ करता है तो हमको मालूम चलता है. बट समटाइम्स इन सोसाइटी और इवन अननोन पर्सन, बाय सीइंग सर्टन साइंस we can imagine or we can come to that point that this person is most probably it has some drug or alcohol abuse. He is using all these things. कुछ साइन है जिसको हम सिंपल भाषा में बोलते हैं सिम्टम्स लाइक थिंग्स. सिम्टम जनरली डिजीज में हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं, बट हियर द वार्निंग साइंस दे आर कॉल्ड. व्हाट आर दीज साइंस? लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट इट. Generally among the youth, it includes drop in academic performance, then unexplained absence from school or colleges, even lack of interest in personal hygiene, then withdrawal, isolation, depression, fatigue, aggressive and rebellious behavior, even deteriorating relationship with family and friends, loss of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habits, even fluctuation in weight, and lastly fluctuation in appetite, जिसको हम बोलते हैं भूख भी नहीं लगती है, अचानक से वेट लॉस होता है, स्लीपिंग हैबिट्स चेंज होती हैं, ईटिंग हैबिट्स चेंज होती हैं, बिहेवियर उनका पूरा चेंज हो जाता है, कोई भी उनकी हॉबी होगी तो भी उसकी तरफ मन नहीं लगता है. तो जनरली ये एक्चुअली डिप्रेशन के सारे सिम्टम्स हैं. और डिप्रेशन इज़ वेरी मच सिमिलर हियर. मैनी टाइम्स द पीपल हु आर अटेम्प्टिंग सुसाइड, उसके पहले की ये सब फीलिंग्स हैं. तो इवन दीज पर्सन्स हु आर हैविंग दीज अल्कोहल और ड्रग अब्यूज़, they are also having same type of depressive symptoms जो अभी हमने डिस्कस की है. Even if an abuser it is unable to get money to buy drugs or alcohol, so he or she may turn to stealing, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि चोरी करने की आदत उनमें लग जाती है. Those who take drugs intravenously, जो सिरिंज की मदद से लेते हैं या इंजेक्शन की मदद से लेते हैं, so direct injecting into vein using needle or syringe, they are much more likely to acquire serious infections like AIDS or even hepatitis B, because the viruses which are responsible for these diseases, they are transferred from one person to another by sharing of these needles or syringes. Even both AIDS and hepatitis B infections are chronic infections and ultimately they are fatal, जिसको हम बोलते हैं it leads to death lastly. So it is very dangerous. AIDS can be transmitted to one's life partner through sexual contact, while hepatitis B is transmitted through blood infection or infected blood. So these are also sometimes these type of effects, they may lead to certain type of infections. Even the use of alcohol during adolescence may also have long-term effects. It could lead to heavy drinking in adulthood, and if it continues, the chronic use of drugs and alcohol damages nervous system, and lastly, liver cirrhosis can occur. The damage of liver, it is known as liver cirrhosis. Then next we will discuss about some misuse. So misuse by sports person. जनरली जो ओलंपिक गेम्स या एशियन गेम्स या इस तरह की गेम्स होती हैं उसमें स्पोर्ट्स मैन या स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन वो ड्रग्स लेते हैं अपनी कैपेसिटी इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, और भी दूसरे फैक्टर्स हैं. सो मिसयूज ऑफ ड्रग्स वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट. So another misuse of drug is what certain sports person do to enhance their performance. They misuse narcotic, analgesic, anabolic steroids, then diuretics. ये सब नाम हैं, आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे. All these drugs, analgesic, anabolic steroids, diuretics, and certain hormones in sports person to increase their muscle power or muscle strength and bulk, to promote aggressiveness, and as a result increase athletic performance. तो उसके लिए ये सारा misuse भी करते हैं कितनी बार. What are the side effects? Now we will discuss about certain side effects of alcohol or drug abuse. The side effects of the use of anabolic steroids in female, they include masculinization, that is the features like males. The females, they turn like males, they are converted due to the use of these drugs. Even increased aggressiveness, then mood swings, depressions, abnormal menstrual cycles, excessive hair growth on the face of the body, on the face or the body, enlargement of clitoris, and even deepening of voice. All these type of changes may be seen in females. So actually female are turned towards maleness like characters. Now let's see in males. What happens in males? It includes acne, जिनको हम बोलते हैं कील या मुहासे, जो जनरली फेस पे डेवलप होते हैं. इंक्रीज्ड एग्रेसिवनेस, mood swings, depressions, reduction in the size of testicles, decreased sperm production which affect the reproductive ability, potential for kidney and liver dysfunctions, breast enlargement, premature baldness जिसको हम बोलते हैं टाल होना, सिर पे जो बाल सारे चले जाते हैं उसको हम baldness बोलते हैं. Even enlargement of prostate gland. So all these type of effects, they are seen in males. Severe facial and body acne and premature closure of growth centers of long bones may result in stunted growth also. This is common in both males and females. So these are some of the side effects if the use of drug or alcohol that is continued for longer period of time. ये सब एक्चुअली हमको पता ही होता है but still we have organized according to our syllabus. That is equally important, but usse bhi zyada important hai how do we prevent all these things, or prevent करें या ना करें but control जरूर होना चाहिए. So prevention and control, and even this topic, it is many times asked in board exams. So there are certain points which are written. So point wise, first of all, main points we will discuss. First is avoid undue peer pressure. Second is education and counseling, it is very important. Then even seeking help from parents and peers, looking for danger signs, and lastly, seeking professional and medical help. This is the last chance to get rid of all these things. So, first, avoid undue peer pressure. A child should not be pushed unduly to perform beyond his or her threshold limits. So, his or her choice should be asked, and all the things should be according to the children. If possible, we have to explain in favor of them. If they are not following our things, then we should make them to follow, but politely and lovingly. So this is more important. Then education and counseling is equally important. To face problems and stress and to accept disappointments and failure which are part of life, we have to explain them. It should be explained properly. It would also be worthwhile to channelize the child's energy into healthy pursuits like sports, reading, music, yoga, and even other extracurricular activities. So we should actually turn the energy which they are having, because they are full of energy during teenage. But in productive work, in positive work, which is helpful for them further, so we should enhance them in certain activities. Seeking help from parents and peers. So, help from parents and peers should be sought immediately so that they can guide properly. Help may even be sought from close and trusted friends. Besides getting proper advice to sort out their problems, this would help young to vent their feelings of anxiety and guilt. Then, looking for danger signs. Alert parents and teachers need to look for the identifying the danger signs which are discussed previously. Even friends, if they find someone using drug or alcohol, should not hesitate to bring this to the notice of parents or teachers in the best interest of the person which are concerned. Appropriate measures would then be required to diagnose the malady and the underlying causes. This would help in initiating proper remedial steps for treatment. So, by observing the signs, we can go accordingly and solve them. Lastly, seeking professionals and medical help. A lot of help is available in the society, but a high qualified psychologist, psychiatrist, de addiction, and rehabilitation programs should be followed to help the peoples who have unfortunately got into the such type of abuses. So with such help, the affected individual with sufficient efforts and willpower can get rid of all these problems completely, and they can live the normal healthy life. But it is very difficult if the person, once it goes into such type of addiction, then it is very difficult to get rid, but it is not impossible. So आज हमने बहुत ही सेंसिटिव टॉपिक डिस्कस किया है, बट आपकी सिलेबस में ये इंक्लूड डेलिबरेटली किया है क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, so that each and every person knows about it and how this type of these type of abuses, it is spreading in society and we should get rid of it. So this is very important. It is a part of our syllabus, but in future also you should remember all these points and even guide others so that they are not following such type of path. So it was a very heavy topic, I know that, students, but still it is a part of our syllabus, you have to learn it. And with this we are ending our chapter here and here. And the exercise which are given at the back, I am pointing certain questions which are given on the back side of this chapter, on the last part of this chapter, under exercise. They are, you have to do question 3, question 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, and lastly 16. First, do write down all these points and go for other after that. So सबसे पहले आपको ये क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करने हैं। साथ साथ में मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, जितने भी पॉइंट वाइज मैंने आपको स्लाइड शो किया है वो एज इट इज़ आपको क्लास वर्क में कॉपी करना है। पुराने जितने चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट हो गए हैं उनके लिए भी, और इस चैप्टर के लिए भी मैं यही बात रिपीट करती हूँ। ठीक है, सो वी एंड आवर चैप्टर नाउ and soon we will be meeting with new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye, students.